Hello, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use the student learning aids in exercise inside of MyBizLab. So if you're in an exercise and you're working on it, this one's already been worked and graded, as you can see. There's a couple things you can do prior to answering or even after answering. So if you get a wrong answer like this, one thing you could always do to check your work is to go to the question help. And from here you can choose either help me solve this or view an example. The help me solve this is used to actually walk you through the actual problem. So we'll take you through the problem step by step until the answer is given. And then once the answer is given, it will ask you to do a new problem based on the same material but different numbers. So things will change a little bit, so you'll have to do it on your own. The view an example is actually a great way if you feel like you're getting something incorrect, and as you can see when you click in here, the answer that was given was 8 by the student, but the correct answer is listed as this. But if you don't understand why, one thing you can do is go to the question help and use view an example. The view an example will walk you through a similar type of problem. It's not going to be the exact same problem, but it's going to be a similar type of problem, and it will take you step by step. Different problems have different amounts of parts, obviously. This one has up to 18, but you could basically go step by step, one part at a time, until maybe you find an area where, oh, I forgot to do the tax cost of the debt. And so you can basically look at this and figure out where you may have gone wrong, and you can go through the entire problem. It takes you step by step, just like a tutor would, and take you through that. And then once you find where you had an error, you can always close this, and then you can sometimes go back and do a similar problem in order to get this particular problem correct. Okay? So the question help up here on the right hand corner is always available for these problems in the homework section. There may also be videos or animations available, and there's a calculator. You can also print this out and send it. You can bring it to a tutor or bring it into class, but these learning aids are here to help you make sure that you're getting the problems correct, and then to show you why you may not have gotten them correct. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a good class.